This is my Leviton Snap It fluorescent light strip with 3 power outlets. Now you can see some applications on the box here and what it looks like, and some other information in the back. But now we will look at the light itself, and here it is. And we have the 3 outlets, and the bulb is in here. It's a 4-watt fluorescent bulb, and actually in this light there's no ballast. Now I don't know how it works without a ballast, but it does. The only thing it has is a humongous capacitor, so that must do something with the voltage to bring it down. But that's the only way that I can think it can power the bulb. So we'll put the cover back on, and we'll turn it on. There you can see it, little tiny fluorescent in there. And of course the 3 outlets, like I already said, and they're grounded, and you can see the cord is very thick. So I don't know what you'd really plug into the thing that you need that thick of a cord, but you never know. And we'll turn it on one more time. And that's my Leviton Snap It fluorescent light strip with 3 power outlets. Thank you.